Question A9, decrease 190 by 40%. Now, this is actually quite an easy percentage to do. So you could do it just by working out 10% being 19, and then times that by 4 to get 40%. So 4 19s would be 76. So because you're decreasing by 40%, you'd be decreasing by 76. So 190, take away 76. And that is going to give you, if you borrow from there, 10 take 6 is 4, 8 take 7 is 1, 1 take nothing is 1. That will give you 114. So the final answer is 114. However, as we said, that's only easy because it's an easy percentage of 40%. What you might have to do sometimes is work out 37% or 64%. Or a trickier percentage. So it's a good idea to learn the multipliers method because every percentage increase or decrease has an equivalent multiplier. So for example, if you're increasing by 50%, that's the same as timesing by 1.5. Increase by 40% is times 1.4, 30% is times by 1.3. These are all increases. Increase by 2% is 1.02, 3% is 1.03, 43% is times 1.43, and so on. Now, the reason why this works, the reason where the multiplier comes from, the decimal, so let's take a 43% increase, for example. If you're increasing by 43%, then you're starting with all of your original number, which is 100%. You're adding 43% on, which leaves you with 143% of what you started with. And 143% as a decimal is 1.43. And that's where the multiplier comes from. If you were decreasing by 43%, you would do it in a very similar way, but instead of doing 100 add 43, you would do 100 subtract 43. And 100 subtract 43 would leave you with 57% left. And 57% left of what you started with as a decimal is 0.57. So a 43% increase, the multiplier is 1.43. A 43% decrease, the multiplier is 0.57. So going back to this question here, decreasing by 40% means 100% minus 40%, which leaves you with 60% left. And 60% of what you started with means you are timesing by 0.6. So if you, on a calculator, did 190 times 0.6, you would also get the answer of 114. Whichever way you do it, that's the answer. But if there are tricky percentages, it is always okay to use a calculator to do these.